Brushless motor or brushed motor? Which DC motor should you choose? In just 90 seconds, here's everything you need to know to make the right choice. First, let's define them. Brushed DC motors use carbon brushes and a commutator to transfer current to the motor windings, causing friction and wear. Brushless DC motors use components like Hall effect sensors and electronic speed controllers, ESCs, to manage commutation instead of brushes and a commutator. This results in higher efficiency, reduced wear, and longer sparkless operational life. Why choose BLDC? Longer life and less maintenance. No brushes to wear out. Higher efficiency. Less heat, more power. Compact design. Great power to weight ratio. Precise control. Excellent speed and torque accuracy. Quiet operation, minimal mechanical noise. Used in drones, electric vehicles, HVAC, robotics, medical devices. Why go with Brushed DC? Cost-effective and simple, fewer components, budget-friendly. Easy speed control. Adjust voltage, get results. Easily repairable, brushes can be replaced. High starting torque, great for instant motion. Widely available, used for decades. Commonly used in home automation, gastronomy, home appliances, automotive locking system. To sum up, BLDC for efficiency and performance. Brushed DC for cost and simplicity. Need help choosing? Visit Mechtex.com to explore both motor types and find the right solution.